I mean, I'm not exaggerating, is the most ancient country in the world. Sindh is mentioned scores of time in the Rig Veda and 3,500 years ago. There were other ancient countries, but there is no country as old as Sindh, which is still called Sindh, so it is at least 3,500 years old. Now, it inherits the Indus civilization, which was the most urbanized civilization of that time. If you don't believe, go and see in the literature of the Mohenjo-daro. Now, when in 1843, and for thousands of years, Sindh has remained as an independent country. When in 1843, British has conquered Sindh, Sindh was an independent country. Fast forwarded, in 1947, Pakistan was established, and we all know without any doubt that it was established by the British Empire for their geostrategic interests, which Pakistan has served. And what is Pakistan? You need to understand. Pakistan is nothing but a military state. Yes. There is no other institution. If you are in any doubt that there is this assembly and there is this prime minister and there is the judiciary, there is this media, no, it is run. And with the time, that military has become all powerful. There is no other thing. It is the largest corporate company of Pakistan. It is the largest landowner of Pakistan. It runs everything. In that situation, what is Sindh? Sindh is the richest part of Pakistan. It produces 72% of gas of Pakistan. It produces 54% of oil of Pakistan. It has got the 6th largest coal deposit in the world, which is $23 trillion. From day one from the Pakistan, the only viable ports, even to this day, are in our capital. And in that situation, what has happened, the main problems, really, they want to eliminate us. They want to occupy all our resources. One of the form of this is that the demographic change. At the time of partition in 1947, Sindhis made 89% of population of Sindh. Within 3 years, 20% of the population of Sindh was coerced to leave. The partition was a traumatic event in the history of the world, but this didn't happen to any other part of subcontinent what happened to Sindh. And today, we are 62%. And that change hasn't taken part in any other part of subcontinent, in any other part of Pakistan. And then Sindh is named after Sindhu River. Sindhu River made Sindh. And what they've done, they constructed 3 dams. They constructed 19 barrages. They constructed 45 canals. And as a result of that, the flow down Kotri barrage has only 10%. The Sindhu, which was considered the lions of rivers in Rig Veda, it is dry. The sand is rising. The 6th largest, the delta, 92% is destroyed. The sea has taken over 4.2 million acres of land because there is no fresh water. And what is 4.2 million acres of land means? 4.2 acres of land means 22 Madeira. This whole Madeira and multiply by 22, that has been taken by sea. Now, over that period of time, our lands, 4 million acres of land has been taken by army and their proxies. And again, 40 million acres of land is about 18-19 Madeira. In Karachi alone, the largest city of the capital of Sindh, there are 6 cantonments. There is no other mega city in the world which has got that much. And do you know how much these cantonments occupy? They are equal to 1.34 Madeiras. Then there are the housing societies for the personnel, they are called defense housing societies. And these defense housing societies are 24 kilometers square. So they are taking by all our resources. They are taking all. And what is happening as a result of that? Basically, 70% of Sindhi people, they live in multi-dimensional poverty. 75% of people, Sindhi people, they suffer malnutrition. 50% of the Sindhi children, they are stunned. The poverty, they want to kill, and this is genocide. So, Sindhi people, they are fighting. They are fighting for their freedom, for their independence, for the right to self-determination, because this is a matter of our survival. We live or we die. And the founder of Sindhi Nation, movement of Sindhi freedom, Sai GM said he spent 30 years in prison. 30 years. There was a freedom march in 2012 by Bashir Khan Qureshi, and the CNN reported that there were 5 million people, and within 2 weeks he was killed. And that even last month there has been, I tell you, that there has been the widest grassroots movement where millions of people, children, women, farmers, middle class, professionals, they participated to save the river. And so for us, the self-determination is the matter for us to live or to die. Yes! Yes!